a cake gets its shape from the pan it's baked in, our hot dog is gonna get its universal shape from this cellulose casing. It's comprised up of the cell walls of plant matter, and you're never gonna believe how it's made.
Or what it's made from.
This is a cellulose hot dog casing. Believe it or not, it begins its life as a pine tree. That pulp from that pine tree is processed and turned to what's kind of like a soft poster board. But it takes a whole lot of know-how and a whole lot of science to go from this to this. Why is this what we need to make those casings? Why go through all this trouble?
We require a very large polymer to make the strongest casing possible. And with this high purity pulp, we get that.
What do we want at the end of this process, the steeping process?
We want an activated cellulose that's ready to go into our next set of reactions.
So it's a chemical reaction we're gonna put this?
Yes.
The dryer tumbles the pulp sheets and shreds them into manageable pieces.
This allows for more surface area to come in contact with the chemicals that are necessary in the next stage. This next step of the process is secret stuff. What I can tell you is that it takes the solid form of cellulose, which is called xanthate, and turns it into liquid form, which is called viscose.
Now we're able to form the viscose into the shape we need for our hot dog casings.
This is where our casings are actually born. At the bottom of this tube is a nozzle that's extruding the liquid in a tube shape. It's going through this to cool off, and then it's on its way to be washed.
The endless strands run up and down a vertical water bath, stretching as long as a mile. Blowers dry them out, and reels wind them up thousands of feet to a spool. All these steps make the cellulose strong to stand up to the rigors of the smokehouse. And tough guys like me.
Go ahead, try to break it, pull it apart.
Yeah, it's not gonna give up.
No.
Now I gotta put some muscle into it. Maybe I go quick. Ah! No, I'm just hurting my hands.
That's the molecular weight that we strive for.
Yeah, apparently. Hey, nice work on the molecular weight there.
One more top secret machine compresses 250 feet into a 16-inch stick. And now we can return north to Cloverdale to finish making our hot dog.